Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about first chapter of the book Stars. It's not like other stories. Incident after incidents that are happening in the story or thought process is given, morality is given in many of the stories. Some motivation, inspiration is given many of the stories. But here in this chapter, third level, it doesn't a part of understanding in the very beginning, but as soon as we go through the chapter and we reach at the end of the chapter, then we come to the conclusion. Still we may have some doubts, then we have to think deeply about the things, that how this is, maybe some futuristic projection, maybe the thing that may happen, maybe like any other realistic or unrealistic stories that had been in the past many years ago and maybe possibility to happen there. So we think that it's not related to the real world that we are having this day. So this story has mainly three characters. Character first, Charlie, 30-year American, 31st year, and his wife Louisa, and his psychiatrist friend Sam Weller. So these are the three persons. The whole story revolves around these three characters as well as the third level. Would like to highlight that what is the third level. The story moves simultaneously between 19th century and 20th century. Though all the scenes they are there with the characters, with the live characters, the scenes they have been taken from 20th centuries, but still the imagination of Charlie, it has been shown as 19th century. So how this happened, if we read the story, so I think that within 2 days you must have read out a few pages of the story. So I just want to give a review that what's there in the story within this video, and maybe possible so in other second video, so I would explain all the things about it. I just have to pick up a few words or a few things and I have to describe. No need to explain the whole chapter because everything is given in the chapter. As the chapter begins, so before beginning, would like to tell you that in this story, Charlie narrates his unusual experience, one thing. And second thing, the theme of the story, mystery, curiosity, and all the imaginations that a person can have, and the time travel. These things they have been explained. The theme of the story says about these things. Here in the chapter third level, the story begins with these name of the stations. So in the beginning there is a word, the president of the New York, Central New York, New Haven and Hartford. So all these are railroads. Rail lines move from one particular area to the destination. So here writer wants to say that the president of all these railroads, so they can swear that there are two, but I say there are three. So what two or three are there, I have to just throw light on this. Suppose there is a platform, it has level 1, it's called level 1, underground level 1, and again if we come down with the help of flight of stairs or the staircases. So we would reach to the second level. So two levels are there. As I say that I have two kitchens in my house, and somebody, he just first time he has visited my house and he claims that there are three kitchens in your house. So how can I accept it? In the same way, all the president, all the officers, those belong to railroads. So they say that there are only two, but I say, Charlie say that there are three levels. So how he is claiming, and he declare about the third level, that third level exists at the Grand Central Station. So station is there, one level, and below that level, second level, and again third level. Actually there is no third level, but he explained this mystery to his friend Sam, psychiatrist friend, and told him that I have been to third level, but Sam is not in the condition to accept it. He says that you might have been going through some type of depression, or you have experience of unhappy state. So that's why you want to escape from the reality. So what is this? So here the writer want to say in this chapter, third level. In the chapter, his friend Sam Weather says that modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worries, unhappiness, anxieties, and all those things who give us pain. So we have all that type of negative stuff in our life. So this happens in modern life. So what is the third level? If Charlie says that I have been there, so third level is a medium of escape. We have to escape. Escape means to come out of the situation. So what type of situation that we have to come out? So this is the situation. All the worry, tension, war, anxieties, unhappiness. So all these situations, unwanted situations that are having in our life. So we have to escape from it. We have to run away from it. So we cannot run away. All these problems will be with us forever. So what is the tool to come out? So this is the third level. Third level is a weapon, it's a tool, it's a technique to come out all these negative things. So how? So what is third level here? Third level is just imagination. Third level here refers to it's a waking dream, wish fulfillment. Here the writer wants to say that while waking, if we are waking, not at the time of sleeping, not at night, but during the daytime, if we are in a wake up position, during waking up, we are having a dream with our open eyes, and that dream, that wish, so it appears to us that it has been fulfilled, though it does not fulfill, but it appears to us that it has been fulfilled. So this is means any type of imagination the people they are doing, and it appears that it's completed, but actually the situation is the same. So as far as up to here, now in next video I have to discuss about the Sam's letter to Charlie in the same way. So you need to get to know about the third level. Actually there is no third level in this earth or on the Grand Central Station. With reference to the station, no third level is existed. But if we imagine things, then we think that the things, so they are in actual sense happening. So here he gives a proof. The brass pitons or all the small doors and the gas stoves, electricity, flickering lights without electricity. So all these things, so they are having tell the experience of the past time. At the same time, small corridors, few ticket windows, all type of currency. So it gives us the experience that in reality we are moving to that place, and at the same time, if we think about it that it's really happening, it has become fulfilled. So it's the name of the paper, the world, and on that paper, on the top margin, the date, the past date of 1894, it was mentioned there. So it clearly indicates that third level is existed, but actually there is no third level. All these proof, all the naked truth are before us, but still it's the imagination of Charlie. Thanks a lot.